Hi, I'm back with episode 13 of 40 Years 40 Reasons. Today I discuss the new exciting AI strategy for GibbsCAM. A short while ago, Sandvik announced the development of new artificial intelligence capabilities for GibbsCAM. GibbsCAM 2025 will integrate AI directly into the software as GibbsCAM Copilot. This copilot makes manufacturing knowledge more accessible through natural language via generative AI. Let's see how GibbsCAM Copilot works. Accessible directly from the online help menu, the Copilot uses a chat-style interface in the same way other messaging apps work. GibbsCAM Copilot uses a dedicated database that has been trained on proprietary knowledge, unique to GibbsCAM. It will offer rapid multi-language user support without needing to search through documentation or reach out for first-line support. It is available 24/7 as a virtual customer assistant. The introduction of GibbsCAM Copilot is part of our commitment to embrace AI for the benefit of our customers. It represents just the start of a longer-term integration of AI to help our customers maximize productivity and profitability.